How to save contacts to Gmail. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone and tap Google. Next, select All Services if available. Then scroll down until you find Backup and Restore. After that, tap Google Contacts Sync. After that, click on Status and toggle on by swapping it Google Contacts Sync. Now, go back to Settings and tap Users and Accounts, or Accounts, depending on your phone. Select your Google, then tap Sync Now. You can also open the Contacts app and check that new contacts are being saved to your Google account instead of your phone's internal storage. That's it! Your contacts are now backed up to your Gmail account and can be restored whenever you sign into the same Google account on another device. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Android tips, Google tutorials, and easy tech guides.